Good day, my name is Jose Besegan Rosas. I just passed the Philippine Nursing Licensure exam and I would like to testify about this book, the Matos NCLEX Review book. This book was given to me by Sir Arman Cruz and it was instrumental to me in passing the Philippine Nursing Licensure exam. I can say that this book is clear, focused, and made the core concepts to understand much easier. It is updated to the current practice in the United States, that's why it's called for New Generation NCLEX. What makes it even more special is that the personal touch with the author, Sir Alan Jan Matos. I asked Sir Alan Jan Matos to some questions and he personally responded through Messenger. This book will just help me to pass the Philippine Nursing Licensure exam. It inspired me to dream big. Actually, holding it in my hand right now, I feel a surge of hope and determination, knowing that I'm one step closer to my American dream. I can say to every aspiring nurse that you dream big, work hard, and let this book guide you along the way.